Welcome to the Grade 2 Math Challenge. Ready to test your addition skills. What is 8 plus 0? The answer is 8. What is 5 plus 3? The answer is 8. What is 6 plus 4? The answer is 10. What is 9 plus 1? The answer is 10. What is 7 plus 5? The answer is 12. What is 12 plus 14? The answer is 26. What is 23 plus 17? The answer is 40. What is 35 plus 22? The answer is 57. What is 41 plus 18? The answer is 59. What is 26 plus 25? The answer is 51. What is 14 plus 37? The answer is 51. What is 33 plus 19? The answer is 52. What is 29 plus 42? The answer is 71. What is 56 plus 15? The answer is 71. What is 38 plus 17? The answer is 55. What is 47 plus 28? The answer is 75. What is 32 plus 36? The answer is 68. What is 44 plus 33? The answer is 77. What is 51 plus 29? The answer is 80. What is 66 plus 14? The answer is 80. What is 27 plus 39? The answer is 66. What is 31 plus 45? The answer is 76. What is 53 plus 16? The answer is 69. What is 42 plus 38? The answer is 80. What is 36 plus 29? The answer is 65. What is 22 plus 48? The answer is 70. What is 37 plus 25? The answer is 62. What is 46 plus 41? The answer is 87. What is 34 plus 18? The answer is 52. What is 59 plus 23? The answer is 82. What is 21 plus 67? The answer is 88. What is 28 plus 46? The answer is 74. What is 62 plus 14? The answer is 76. What is 33 plus 48? The answer is 81. What is 45 plus 39? The answer is 84. What is 19 plus 63? The answer is 82. What is 55 plus 21? The answer is 76. What is 64 plus 13? The answer is 77. What is 58 plus 26? The answer is 84. What is 72 plus 19? The answer is 91. What is 36 plus 44? The answer is 80. What is 47 plus 36? The answer is 83. What is 61 plus 18? The answer is 79. What is 52 plus 29? The answer is 81. What is 66 plus 23? The answer is 89. What is 38 plus 42? The answer is 80. What is 45 plus 49? The answer is 94. What is 27 plus 58? The answer is 85. What is 39 plus 44? The answer is 83. What is 51 plus 35? The answer is 86. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss any video.